Joan of Arc, A2 English Story. Joan of Arc is a young girl from France. She lives in a small village with her family. Her family is poor, and they work on the land. At this time, France is at war with England. The war is long and difficult. Many people are afraid and tired. Joan is young, but she is very brave. She believes strongly in God. She goes to church and prays every day. One day, something strange happens. Joan hears a voice while she is alone. The voice speaks to her clearly. The voice tells Joan to help France. It tells her to help the king. Joan feels afraid, but also proud. At first, Joan is confused. She does not understand why the voice speaks to her, but the voice comes back many times. After some time, Joan decides to act. She believes the voice is from God. She wants to help her country. Joan travels to see the King of France. The journey is long and dangerous. She meets many people on the way. When Joan meets the king, she tells him everything. She talks about the voices and her mission. The king listens carefully. The king believes Joan. He thinks she can help France. He gives her armor and a horse. Joan joins the army. She wears armor like a soldier. She rides at the front of the army. The soldiers feel stronger with Joan. They believe in her courage. Together, they win important battles. Soon, Joan becomes famous. People talk about her everywhere. She becomes a symbol of hope for France. But Joan's story does not end happily. One day, she is captured by enemies. She is taken away and put in prison. In prison, Joan feels afraid and alone, but she stays strong in her faith. She never stops believing. Joan dies when she is very young. Her life is short, but her story is powerful. People remember her courage. Today, Joan of Arc is remembered around the world. She is a symbol of bravery and belief. Her story changed history.
Comprehension questions.
1. Who is Joan of Arc? Joan of Arc is a young girl from France. 2. Where does Joan live? She lives in a small village in France. 3. Who is France at war with? France is at war with England. 4. What does Joan hear one day? She hears a voice speaking to her. 5. Why does Joan decide to help France? She decides to help France because she believes the voice is from God. 6. Who does Joan travel to see? She travels to see the King of France. 7. Does the king believe Joan? Yes, the king believes Joan. 8. What happens to Joan at the end of her life? She is captured and dies when she is very young.